Hello. Welcome to our presentation for the analysis of the acoustic response of medical percussion using wavelet transform and neural networks. Medical percussion is a diagnostic procedure used to detect tissue anomalies by acoustic response. This research examines how the computational analysis of the acoustic response can inform us about tissue anomalies. The acoustic responses were obtained using a mechanically actuated device percussing a silicon phantom at 1 Hz with an embedded hard nodule at 2 different depths. The audio file was then trimmed to 1,700 individual percussion events through a MATLAB peak detection script. Savitsky-Golay filtering was then used to denoise the signals. Here are coefficient scalograms for the average across all samples in close nodule and far nodule percussion instances. These scalograms correspond to the one-dimensional continuous wavelet transform of the acoustic response using the Simlet Wavelet family. These graphs show the dampening effect of nodule depth on the frequency intensities. The close nodule attenuates the frequencies more quickly than the far nodule. To verify that the changes in the time and frequency domain observed from the wavelet transform could be used to classify the samples, a convolutional neural network, CNN, was trained on grayscale scalograms for the 1,700 individual percussion events from the experiment. The 7-layer CNN was trained on 75% of this data, with the remaining scalograms used for validation. These saliency maps highlight the salient pixels, showing which time-variant frequencies inform the CNN's classification. The wavelet transform analysis reported clear attenuation of frequency intensities between the percussion of close and far nodules. Saliency maps confirmed that the time-localized differences observed in the red region A can be used to classify the depth of a nodule accurately. Future studies will explore the results in a phantom more representative of a human abdomen. Thank you for listening.